Sainath a very happy wedding anniversary, silver jubilee that too. Wedding anniversary. God bless you both. So I wish you have to celebrate. I pray God that you should celebrate golden jubilee also with your daughter, son and son-in-law and daughter-in-law in future.
As I have seen Sunita, she is very loving, caring and hard-working girl. She has given lots of time for her children, and she has been a good support to Sai. When we come to Sai, Sai is also a hard-working and humorous person. Both have shared equally their shoulders to bring up the family and children. With all this, I would like to conclude with my best wishes, and I pray God to bless them all happiness, health, wealth and togetherness always.
ನಗುತ್ತಾ ನಗುತ್ತಾ ಬಾಳಿ ನೀವು 100 ವರುಷ ಎಂದು ಹೀಗೆ ಇರಲಿ ಇರಲಿ ಹರುಷ ವರುಷ.
And very nice to see both of you and especially the children, and yeah, very value systems you have inculcated in them, and we wish you, bless you and family and everybody. Thank you.
Thank you so much for being open with us and being very friendly. Thank you so much, Neetu aunty.
If you come today, it's too early. If you come tomorrow, it's too late. You pick the time. A tick 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 tick. 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 Darling.
Thank you so much, Sinu. Thanks for your blessing.